In this video, I'm going to show you guys live step by step on how to withdraw your profits right out of Gates FX, the #1 trading broker there is. So as always, all I ask is that you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you think. Now this withdrawal is for $50,000. Great money. Now originally I was going to do $100,000, but maybe I'll save that for the next video. If you guys like it, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Now guys, step by step, what you're going to want to do is, this is your dashboard. Within your dashboard, you're going to basically see your wallet. So my wallet here, I have $97,177. I basically have all my live accounts blurred out for the balance and those. But on the left hand side, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to funds. So when you go to funds, you're going to withdraw your funds. Now when you get here, you're going to select your account. So in this case, this is my wallet. Again, your wallet is what you want. That's where you basically have all your money, and that's where you're going to withdraw your money. Okay, so my wallet here, I got $97,177. Now this is where I'm going to withdraw to. So you can only withdraw Bitcoin crypto. So I'm selecting crypto, and now I have my payment details. Now I already have these in there. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. To do this, you go to update payment details if you don't already have them in there. So I already have mine in there. So I have 2 locations I basically send my funds to. So that's what I love about this, is that they're already stored in here. So I don't have to add them again. By the way, these are my Bitcoin wallet address. So if you take them, there's nothing you can really do with them. Again, you could send me money, but by the time you watch this video, I will have already removed these, deleted them, and generated new ones. Okay, so nonetheless, you want to upload yours. You want to capture your wallet address. So this is where you're gonna put your wallet address. You're gonna have your wallet currency, Bitcoin, and once you hit submit, then it basically uploads to your payment details. To capture that, you would want to go into something like Coinbase. So I use Coinbase, but you can use Cash App, there's Kraken, there's a lot of different things you can get. Now within those platforms, in this case, you see Bitcoin, I would go here, right? This is Bitcoin, and then I'd basically receive crypto. When I choose to receive crypto, I click on Bitcoin, and there's my wallet address. Now at any time, again, I could generate new address. So for those that are watching this video, if you think you can steal my wallet address and do something with it, you can't. Because by the time you watch this video, everything's going to be new addresses have been generated, they've been removed, they've been deleted. Even knowing people like, oh, I can't do anything with it anyways, but people like to think outside the box. So nonetheless, there's my wallet address, right? So you would just copy this, or you would generate a new one. Once you copy it, then you would basically paste it in this, yada, and let's pretend that's your Bitcoin address, and then basically you hit submit. But that's not the case. Obviously, that's not a real address, so we're not going to use that. So I'm actually going to use my real address, and then I'm going to go to continue, right? I'm going to put in the amount of $50,000. So there you go, $50,000 live withdrawal going through right now. Boom, there it is. Go to continue, and there is my withdrawal that was just submitted. Now, typically what you get, right? You will get an email. So let me go to my email address here. You'll get an email. Here is the email, as you guys can see, and you can see that this was very fast, very smooth. Gates FX right here, your withdrawal has been placed, and not too long after that, boom, your withdrawal has been approved. So you can see how fast and smooth that was to basically do. So again, this is going to play, depending on the time of the day you do your withdrawals, sometimes could take longer, sometimes could be just as fast as you submit it. So again, it depends, right, who's putting their withdrawals through, and how backed up they are. But as you guys can see that, boom, you get your money. I got my money. $50,000 is going to hit my Coinbase account, and once $50,000 hits my Coinbase account, I could choose to do what I want with it, right? I could send it to my bank account, right? I could choose to just let it sit there and invest in Bitcoin. It is up to me, but nonetheless, I'm going to go spend these profits and enjoy the fruits of my labor, because at the end of the day, what good is it if you're not enjoying and spending the money on things that make you happy, whether it's cars, material things, clothing. But nonetheless, absolutely love Gates FX, the #1 broker. If you're not using Gates FX, guys, you are truly missing out. So they are giving a 100% deposit bonus if you use my link. So guys, if you click on my link below this YouTube video, you will get a 100% deposit bonus through my link, and you guys can start trading as little as today, right? So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you think. And if we get over 100 likes, then the next video I will do a 100,000 withdrawal for you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.